repeat all together.
It's beautiful.
I'm done, Mama.
You are?
Yeah.
You don't have to put any more lines on there?
Nope. How would them look together all the
They look great together, all of them.
Maybe you should work the fly out. Look, there's the fly boat.
Are you painting a sail for your flyboat?
Yeah.
That is pretty.
We can paint all the end of all. How would them work together? How would them work together?
Wow.
How would them work together, Mama?
How do they work together?
How would they work together? How would they work together? And now let's them work together.
They do great together.
How would they work together with a flyboat? How would together with a flyboat, Mama? Together with a flyboat, it sounds like good together with a flyboat.
Oh.
The lake, and the beach, and the lake.
Oh, you're making a lake and a beach?
Yeah,
Is that the water?
yeah. There's a Lego. And there's the heads of the Lego. How would they work together with the flyboat? Isn't it the flyboat, Mama?
Sure. You tell me what it is. That's pretty good.
Mama, that's a sailboat.
It's a sailboat?
It says a sailboat.
All right.
Oops. How would they work together with the flyboat?
I like it.
I'll get the flyboat.
Okay. Are you done?
Nope.
No?
Nope. I gotta finish with the flyboat. I painted with the sailboat. How would they work together, Mama? Like that, Mama.
Okay.